Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. This is Jonathan. Bond edge, outrights, spreads, outrights, spreads, outrights. I'm not looking at. I'm not showing this study. Spreads. I am looking at this one. I am showing this study. And then if I scroll down, the only things I have on my screen right now are going to be the knob, the bub, and the ZB flag. That's it. Just 3 different instruments, I guess, that we're looking at. Okay. That's just what I have here. 3 different spreads. Is everybody cool up to this point? Yes, 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 yes. Good. Super simple, super straightforward. Yes, yes, yes.
Hey guys, so it's Jonathan. If you're confused right now, stop. Go back to the beginning, grab a pen and a piece of paper, and go section by section. Don't move forward until you understand it, okay? Listen, I wish trading was easy. To have edge, you need to learn something that the whole world's not doing. It's a really unique trade. So take my advice, please. Grab a pen, piece of paper, take some notes. You'll do great. Back to the video, guys.
Now, give you a little cheat sheet about how to look at this stuff. Let's do it up here. We want to look at triangles. Okay? When we talk about triangles, if using the triangle analogy, a line would be ZN and ZB. A triangle would be ZN, UB, ZB when you take in 3 products. So we have our knob, ZN, ZB, bub, ZB, UB. So when we look at 3 different products, that's what we're referring to as a triangle. When Pablo and I say we trade triangles, that's what we're talking about. The knob plus the bub is the same as ZN all the way out to UB. I don't have that on the chart. We could put that on the chart. I don't have that on the chart. Butterfly is just combining these 2 trades. So what I would suggest when you're using bond edge is look at triangles. Find 3 products that are next to each other or close to each other in the yield curve. And that's how we want to look at things. And then if I just show you how we chart it, here it is. Keep things nice and simple. Okay, Mark gets that part. This is what we're looking for. Bond fly gets really expensive here, right? This is the ZB fly. ZB fly sells off. That's the bond selling off. So when the bond sells off, what's going to happen? Well, the knob, if we're long ZN and we're short ZB, the knob is going to rally. Okay? What about the bub? The bub, since you're short ZB, the bub is going to fall. Okay? So the same exact lesson here. Once you learn this, everything else is the same. It's just rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Okay? Talk to me. Does that make sense?